Hi, this is the continuation of fleet management system transaction video. We are going to cover the vehicle maintenance part in this video. So to have a vehicle maintenance, we can just go from the menu transactions and vehicle maintenance. Here we are going to select the vehicle. I'm selecting any vehicle. Um, we can select the vendor here so that in case of any um, AP invoice we are generating, so we can select that. What will be the next maintenance date? We can allocate that. What kind of maintenance type it is, that we can see. And here are few tabs. First is expenses as inventory items. Inventory item is basically which is lying in our stock. So some spare parts we want to is issue to this particular maintenance. So let's select any one, and I'm putting one quantity only. And what is the spare part condition? Maybe new. Here, the second tab is about the expenses. Like this expenses is basically we are incurring to the incurring to this vehicle during the maintenance, but we are hiring from outside mechanic who is doing this maintenance. So for that, we need to pay some money to him. So I'm just putting some value here. And we need to select the same vendor or we can select a different vendor. I will explain why in the line level also the vendor we selected. So let's say we have put to 20,000 and then we have done. Now, this is the maintenance jobs part where we are going to select which kind of maintenance is happening. So this is and who is the mechanic who has done that. And what is the end date? Maybe today I'm just putting what was the issue, maybe normal maintenance. And what is the Java status? Maybe I'm putting and as a completed, and it is an internal people who has handled it. So that's it. So I'm just putting uh, we can put some remarks here and we can add. So we have added this maintenance. Now there is a few tasks we need to do further from this one. One is, okay, we have not selected that batch item, but we'll just select the warehouse, one quantity, this guy got past condition, you know. Okay, we update this one. So now we have three tasks. One is some item has to be issued to this particular job card. So I'm issuing the stock. So a stock issue will come with all the details, whatever it is pending, and then we are adding it. Since this is a job, this spare parts is with the batch enabled. So that's what we are selecting the batch, which batch we are getting it from. We add it. So our stock issue it is done, and now you can see that already issue number it is showing here. So in case if you wanted to do issue a stock again, it will not populate because it is already done. So second is a service expenses which we are going to pay to the vendor, like a mechanic or something. So raise invoice, and basically this is the raising the purchase invoice. You can see it here. We can add it. After raising that, we are done with this. You can see those voucher which is posted. So here we can also see that which inventory issue has been posted against this one, and also we can see that the voucher posted AP invoices. So both it is showing here item with the batch and this one. We can double click as a drill down from there itself. And this one, like, let's assume that we have completed each and everything, and then further we can just close the document in case we don't want to have further information. But in case if we like to add some more expenses, let's say I'm putting another expenses here. Let me put 15,000 here. So, and here we are putting vendor B and note. So here, that's it. So now we can also detect it from the some wizard where we can post the expenses. So for that, I'm going transaction wizard and then expenses voucher wizard. Here we select the currency, which currency we wanted to pay in. So document load. And now here, this one, if you see this particular source document, which is coming from that spare parts issue. And this is instead of selecting through the vendor, we are making a voucher posting. So like let's say journal entry, it is getting posted. So you can see that the vehicle expenses, which we have stated into the job card that is coming, and what was the credit account where it is going to be posted from. So that's what we are trying to do. So here we have done it. And then now if I go to refresh here, now you see the actual amount has been paid as a 15,000 and then this line has been closed. So in case if you wanted to see the voucher posted, so voucher is not going to show here. It's okay. The journal entry is not going to show, but you can see the voucher object um, which has been posted on this particular transaction. So after all this thing, we are going to close this as we are done. So this is closed. So that's it for this job card. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video.